just a quick rundown to show you what type of system I'm running in the Beast or the Animal. There's your 3650 3100 kV motor with the pinion gear off the old motor that I had to heat up, and I used a pinion gear puller. Man, that thing comes in handy. But like I was saying, 3650 3100 kV. There's your ESC 35 amp 2 to 3S capable, but I pulled the ESC out of the DRC 003E. That was my sacrificial car. It was fun while it lasted. And I also used that car's servo for the Beast or the Animal. And that servo was pretty twitchy, so there you go. And it's just a quick rundown of what type of system I'm running in the Beast or the Animal.
I'm satisfied with it. On to the next location. Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here at the second location that I like to go to bash my cars, just to park around the street, nothing like that. Did I also mention that I got this car, this RC, this 1/10 scale short course truck off of Banggood for like 57 bucks during that spring sale they had. And yes, it is 1/10 scale. It's made by Enoze. It's the 9201E. It's pretty much the budget clone of the DRC 9201E, which is not too bad itself, but I pretty much saved like maybe 50 bucks buying this car versus that one, so came out good. Brushless converted. You saw the speed run. I have no complaints. It was 16.5 when I got it, and now it does almost 28, maybe 30 if I put a 3S in it. It's on a 2S, 2,000 mile, and we gonna give it a bash, rip, dirt, whatever it is, to see how this animal, this monster, really gets down. Let's see what we got. Thing is a beast now on full throttle. This is just a 2S. Unbelievable. I had to dial the throttle down just a little bit, man. This is insane. This is insane, bro. 16.5 when I got it. It does almost 28 now. That's crazy. Okay. 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 Real nice. Yeah, she's a beast now. She is definitely a beast. And there you have it, guys. The Enoze 9201E brushless 1/10 scale. It's a ripper now. That's all I can say. Like, share, subscribe, comment, bash and go fast. Unleash the beast today, and I enjoyed every minute of it. You might see another video post. I enjoy you guys' watch time. Appreciate you for checking it out. You have a blessed day. Peace.